In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create responsive grid layouts in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll be able to structure your pages with clean, flexible grids that look great on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Wix. Click the official Wix website from the results. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so you can access your sites and the Wix Studio editor. From your dashboard, select your Wix Studio site to open the editor. Give the editor a moment to load. Once you're in, head to your canvas and choose a blank section where you want your grid to live. Sections are the large containers that hold your content, so make sure the section itself is selected before building the grid. With the section selected, look to the Inspector panel on the right and open the Style tab. Find the Layout options. Here you can choose a preset grid to get started quickly, or manually add rows and columns using the plus icons. Presets are great for common patterns like 2 or 3 columns, while adding rows and columns yourself gives you precise control over structure from the start. Next, refine the grid by dragging the grid lines. You can resize cells to emphasize key content, split cells to create additional areas, or merge cells for wide hero elements. If your design feels cramped, add gaps between rows and columns to create breathing room. Remember, consistent spacing helps your layout feel intentional and easier to scan. Now bring your content into the grid. Drag elements like images, text, and stacks into individual cells. You'll see them snap in place. Keep related items together within a cell or use a stack to organize multiple elements vertically. If something doesn't align as expected, check that the element is docked to the cell and not the section. You can also adjust padding inside the cell to fine-tune spacing without disrupting the overall grid. When your desktop layout feels solid, switch to tablet and mobile views using the responsive controls at the top of the editor. This is where the grid shines. Adjust the grid specifically for smaller screens by flipping column order, stacking items into a single column, or simplifying the layout. You can increase gaps for touch-friendly spacing and tweak row heights so content doesn't feel crowded. Keep the content hierarchy consistent, but adapt the layout so text stays readable and images scale gracefully. That's it. You've built a responsive grid in Wix Studio, placed your content, and tailored it for every screen size. Follow these steps, and your pages will look polished and professional across devices.